Hi there everyone, good day. So in this video guys, we will discuss what are the skills needed to become a computer programmer. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new in my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. So one of the lucrative job in the world is to become a computer programmer. So what are the skills needed to become a computer programmer? Becoming a proficient computer programmer requires a combination of technical skills, problem-solving abilities, and soft skills. Here are an overview of the essential skills needed. First guys, we will talk about the technical skills. Number one, programming languages. So we have here Python, good for beginners, widely used in web development, data analysis, and artificial intelligence. We have also here JavaScript, essential for web development. Java, commonly used in large systems development. C and C++, important for systems programming and performance critical applications. And SQL or structured query language, necessary for database management and manipulation. We have number 2, algorithms and data structures. Understanding of algorithms, sorting, searching, etc. Knowledge of data structures, arrays, linked lists, trees, graphs, hash tables, etc. We have also here software development tools. We have version control systems like Git or GitHub, IDEs or integrated development environments, and text editors. We have a vast of choices, no? So we have Visual Studio Code, IntelliJ IDEA, Eclipse, etc. Build tools, Maven, Gradle, etc. So being a programmer, we have also to be familiarized on how to use in operating systems and networking, basic understanding of operating system, processes, trends, memory, etc. Basic networking concepts like TCP/IP, HTTP, DNS, etc. So most often, as a programmer, we interact with database management. So knowledge of SQL and relational databases is essential, like MySQL, PostgreSQL, etc. Familiarity with NoSQL databases, MongoDB, Cassandra, etc. We have also here web development. Front end, we have HTML or hypertext markup language, CSS, JavaScript frameworks, React, Angular, Vue.js, for example. Back-end server-side languages, we had Node.js, Django, Flask, Ruby on Rails. Mention also PHP, no? ASP.NET. So we have also here development methodologies. We have Agile, Scrum, DevOps practices. 8, we have cloud computing, familiarity with cloud platforms, Amazon AWS, Google Cloud, Azure. And then most importantly, we have also here, as a computer programmer, we have skills in problem solving. So we have analytical thinking, ability to break down complex problems into smaller manageable parts, debugging and troubleshooting, skills in identifying, analyzing, and fixing bugs and issues in code. We have also logical reasoning, capacity to use logic to solve problems and optimize solutions. We have also soft skills, communication skills, ability to communicate technical concepts clearly and effectively to non-technical stakeholders. So as a programmer, it is a responsibility, no, to explain in a layman's term or a simple English the breakdown of technicalities to our shareholders, like the owner of the company or users. We have also here teamwork and collaboration, working well with others, especially in collaborative projects and pair programming. So most likely you will be working in a team, no, with different developers, tester, project managers. So you have to know how to get along with them. So we have also here continuous learning, willingness to stay updated with the latest technologies and continuously improve skills. Time management, efficiently managing time to meet deadlines and handle multiple projects. Attention to detail, precision and accuracy in writing code and debugging. Other from that, additional skills like project management, basic knowledge on managing projects, timelines, and deliverables. And then we have also here user experience, UX design, understanding the principles of user-centered design to create intuitive and user-friendly applications. Third, we have also here security, best practices, awareness on common security threats and how to mitigate them. And fourth, mathematical skills. Fields like cryptography, game development, and certain aspects of machine learning requires mathematical skills. Building a strong foundation in these areas will equip you with the necessary skills to become successful computer programmer. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on the skills needed to become a computer programmer. Very comprehensive. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned a lot, no, in this presentation that I have, no. So don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.